we go, boys and girls. I have a few updates for you regarding the Jordan 1 UNC toes. Yes, tomorrow we're getting a sneakers shock drop. Timing hasn't been set yet. We're going to watch at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. PST, but that can always change. Be watching. We know our shock drop timing has been all over the place this year when it comes to our shock drops, but I'm going to hope for 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to watch the US stock numbers load up, which Kick will provide you there, and that usually gives us a for sure indicator on when those will drop. Not only that, we're going to send you a text message. We're going to send you multiple pings in the Discord server. I'm going to be live. The list goes on and on and on. The team and I are even going to talk about the drop tonight within Kick Notify, so if you guys are interested in joining and want those text messages and all those notifications being sent to you, there's going to be some links down below for you guys to join up. I do want to give you an update on the video that I did make last week, how I was talking about JD Sports and Finish Line exclusive access. I had a couple comments and you guys said, hey, how many status points? Be expecting 2,000 status points for that when JD Sports and Finish Line does do exclusive access. Once again, if you need a reminder on that, or if you didn't see my last video, the time and date will be Wednesday, July 19th will be for the in-store pickup. That will go live at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time most likely, and then the ship to me option the following day on Thursday, July 20th for the ship to me option. The ship to me option will get sent out to your door Saturday when they do drop. With the exclusive access, when it comes to ship to me, you can't use your discounts, but when you do go in-store and pick them up, you can. I just want to update you guys on how much status points that was going to cost you, because I know a lot of you guys were asking me for that and like what was going on. I just wanted to say that because I do apologize for leaving that out of the last video. I just want you guys to be prepared for this shoe. Now, once again, shock drop tomorrow, July 6th. That's when it's going down on the sneakers app. Stock numbers have been loading. Everyone's saying stock's going to be crazy. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. Who cares stock numbers? If you want a pair of these, grab this shoe. Grab them, get them early. Everybody asks me, if I get early pairs, what do I do with them? Sell them right away. If you're getting a pair early, you have to sell on these shock drops, because when it comes to time, after all retailers drop, these are going to be way lower in price, and you could have made more money for selling your shock drop pair, make a little bit of profit, and then buy yourself a pair on release day, because I promise you, if you watch the video I put up, or listen to me on my live streams, or if you're in Kick Notify, you'll know exactly where to go to grab these, and you won't have a problem getting this for retail, and maybe even get them for a discount. So guys, that's all I want to hit with this video. It's nice, short, and sweet. Like I said, if you have any questions for me regarding the shock drop, my Instagram is right here. And if you want to join the group, you want SMS texting, you want low-key flips, you need one-on-one support, you need any of that, Kick Notify right there has you. We've been going crazy recently with the low-key flips and other opportunities outside of sneakers, so if you're kind of interested in that and want to make a little extra money each month, we got you there. But guys, thank you for being here. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow morning. I miss y'all. I love y'all for real. If you made it this long in the video, let's say shock drop's about to be a blast tomorrow. But guys, that's it for me. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!